Hi guys, and how are you today? Today I'm gonna share with you, I did a request form. I'm gonna explain to you how we done request form and how to connect the request form to the server through the PHP and how to link it with the email. But first of all, let me explain to you what is request form. Request form you see like that. When you see on the website, they mention to you to send a request if you have any question, to send your name, your email, and the message that you wanted, and then when they in the website they receive it, they reply to you. But I'm gonna explain to you how to do in the coding. I did as a normal form like that, which include first name, last name, email address, message subject, and the message. And send message button, I'm clear. I'm gonna show you, for example, if I said Sarah Smith, and let's say that, and then I'm gonna say hi. I'm gonna say in the message, hi, I'm Sarah, and I have a question. Or let's say, hi, I'm Farah. Let's say my name, hi, I'm Farah, and I have question, and blah 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 for all of these text. Okay, and let's say my name. I'm gonna say Farah. I'm gonna say, yeah, this is I'm gonna share my name. Okay, and then I'm gonna press send message, and then I'm gonna wait until it's loading, and I'm showing you how it connected to the server and how to send it. So now it returned to the home page, but let's come back to the form again. I'm gonna show you, and then I'm gonna refresh my email, and then let's see if it's receiver or not. Yeah, here it shows you a new submission. So Farah Smith, this is because I write my first name, the last name, wrote the following message, and they copy the email, and hi, I'm Farah and I have a question, and could be that long if you type. And how that happened, I'll explain to you before coding. The first of all, we have to put as a normal form in HTML5 and CSS3, and HTML5, CSS3, this is dependent on the person. It's gonna be different style, different layout, and different style. You know, HTML5 and CSS3 responsible how to do the style and how to do the layout, so that will be different. I done it in that way. I did a normal form with input for the first name, input for the last name, input for the email, and I choose the type email because to make sure that the user insert correct email, and for the message as well I type for text area. The reason why I choose text area, not input, to be able to make it bigger as much as I can, like for example 20 rows and 50 columns, to allow to the user to write whatever they like, the longer that as much they want, and text area, and then bottom send image and clear inside the form. And as well we have the style to different, and this is the style dependent on optional, tap to you whatever style you want to do it. But the important things to aware about to do in the form here, you make sure that you put action, and the action should be go to the send email.php, go to the send it to the action for the form, make it go to the PHP, because the PHP it will connect it to the server. Then I'm gonna use the method post, because of course when I send it the message, I post my information to the server to be able to send it, so I choose post method. But what did it include inside the PHP file for the sended message request? I have to say post submit, and this is submit is come from the name, submit is come from the bottom sended message, because the user when they go here, they go to send, to press that button to send. So then I'm gonna say here in send email post submit, so when it pressed submit button, it's gonna be post. Here I'm gonna say 2, then I'm gonna use where is gonna be go? It's gonna be go to my email. This is the email address it go to. So the user, when they type their message and send it, where it go? It go to that email. So because this is for test for me, for like for test, so I'm gonna say aljabourifarah@gmail.com, that this is what I use. This is my email address, and then the form, the post email, the tab email, and first name, last name, I've took it from the form, and I layout it, I design it through the PHP how it will be. It will be the message for include first name, last name. It will be take from the user whatever they type, then first name, variable, last name, and wrote the following message. Then I tap posted to it, and should be send one send it to the user, to the confirm they send it this email, and send to the company or the business or the world to send it to Aljabouri Farah, and subscribe. If it's I will do that situation. If it's true and they connected to the server correctly, then they say yes, the message sent successfully. If not, then they told you no, your message not sent successfully, please try again later. That just in case to warn that user if they didn't send it correctly. And the same I show you, they show the confirmation, because I use for me that one, I send it from my Yahoo mail to the Gmail. This is just for test, and this is the confirmation email is going to be like that. Here's a copy of your message, Farah Anha. This is just to confirm, to show the user what is it. And the layout of the message as well is going to be different. But the important thing is to have to do the variable for to be able for to who we need to send, and we need the form, and which should be apply the email, the first name, the last name, and we do these information. Just a few steps. This is how to process quickly, how to process the sending email. With sending email, we just need to style the form, the request form, and we just need to use PHP just to connect it to the server, to be able to tell the server, okay, send this message to that person. Thank you very much. I hope this is interesting to you. If you have any question, please put it in the comment. If you happy and you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much.